Got espresso got. What a bit, yeah. Hi everyone, it's me again. Hi, kamusta? Hello, kamusta po? Kamusta po? Okay. 안녕하세요. 네. Okay. All right. Good day, everyone. All right. Again, my name is Jason. I represent MONIN Philippines. Okay. Today, gonna present you a different kind of Oppa version cocktail. Yeah. So, what is the special for today? Right. So previously we've been using soju, but the soju are the original taste, the original profile. So it's pure and there's not flavored. Right. Today we do a bit of challenge. We use GrapeFruit Soju. I will explain a little bit more why I use GrapeFruit Soju. Okay. And for MONIN wise, I have apple syrup for you. And then I have this espresso. And then I have soda. Okay. So for my other ingredient, I have a mini cube apple. And also I have a slice of orange and orange zest. Yeah. So everything put aside first. Okay. And then the glass I'm going to use is rock glass for today. So throughout the ingredient introduced just now, you can notice it's not too complicated or too many ingredients here. Yeah, because of coffee, we use coffee, and then we don't want to have so much of flavor inside. It's gonna be like too complex, and then you can't enjoy and identify what are the flavor that you are having after you drink. Okay, so that's why I just tweak a little bit by using the GrapeFruit Soju. Yeah, so okay, done. And then we have a slice of orange inside, so it can help to balance much better. Yeah. Okay, let's start. All right, so I'm gonna start with MONIN apple syrup. So for MONIN apple syrup, I only have like 15 ml. Not too much, just 15 ml is enough. Yeah, just slightly increase the body in the drink itself, and also of course will give some flavor. Yeah, and I'm hoping to have a good after finish. And then for the soju, GrapeFruit Soju, we remain 100 ml. Okay, so the reason why I can go lower, okay, but I found that my espresso is not too strong. Yeah, it's not too bitter especially. Okay, so if you don't have any espresso, you can use instant coffee. Okay, but don't put too much of instant coffee inside. Yeah, you make it more concentrate. Yeah, very concentrate. Less hot water you use. Okay, so and then my next one is gonna be apple. So I add in the mini cube apple inside, or mini diced apple inside. All right. So after that, I have slice of orange. Okay. So orange just nice to cover the apple. Okay. Then next gonna be have ice. So you see, I have a citrus-based soju, okay, with grapefruits, and then I enhance it with fresh orange slice. So eventually here there will be a very full of citrus profile as well. Yeah. So with the apple syrup, okay, it will help the coffee, espresso, and the citrus combine much better. Yeah, because apple syrup it contains sugar. All right, so here I just filled up a little bit of my soda because I don't want to let it see so low, and to have some soda, it also gives some tiny kind of citrus, tiny of sparkling. Yeah, so you're gonna be attacked on your tongue, and then I slowly pour the espresso. So when you pour the espresso, remember, pour on top the ice, okay, and don't go too high. All right. So when you pour on the ice, the flow will flow slower. And then lastly, we have orange zest. So you squeeze the orange zest, twist the orange zest on top, okay, and then, well, the orange zest release out of the orange oil, the aromatic, and also the fragrance, okay. So it's kind of a help to improve, to enhance the whole aroma of the drink itself. So when you hold it, first, because of the espresso there, you definitely will smell the espresso, but with the orange zest oil helps. It gives more refreshing, not just like one dimension, coffee. No, okay, so at least coffee and then some fragrance from orange zest. Right, so you make it like more value in your drink. Even though at home you also can make it like so high-end, high-class kind of drinks as well. All right, with me, Jason Oppa, we will make it better, and we make things happen. Okay, so are we gonna drink like this? No way. If you drink like this, it's gonna finish out all the coffee. No, I don't want. Okay, so we can gently stir. Okay, we can stir. So now you see, when you stir, eventually the apple starts to float up. Okay, yeah, because in apple inside they have a lot of air. So when you add it in liquid, so it will automatically flow up. Okay, and also remember we have a slice of orange inside. So it just in case you want to have more orange taste in your cocktail, especially particular for this, you can just squeeze it, okay, or muddle it, or stir it harder, okay, to extract out all the to extract out more orange flavor in your cocktail. Okay. Ooh, chincha. Okay, let's try. Oops. So refreshing. All right, it's not too sweet because espresso is bitter. All right, the bitter, they will balance, they will counteract the sweetness. All right, so a bit of citrusy, okay, but the citrusy is not kind of a sour, right? It's not. It's very present. It's very present. So the citrus from the grapefruit soju itself, and then we have also orange slice, yeah, and yep, of course when we drink we taste the citrus, and then we can smell the refreshing fragrance from the orange skin, orange zest. And I like the finishing part. The finishing part, that's where the apple taste is coming out, right? And also you have apple to chew and drink. So, so relaxed when you're sitting at home, you sit on your couch, head of this drink, chew, apple, put down, and then remote control, watch your movie, Korean movie. Okay, so if you have any question, if you want to ask anything, or you keen to know anything, okay, please comment below. Yeah, and then we see you after this. Yeah, next video. Haha. Okay, thank you so much. We're gonna see you in the next video. 감사합니다. Selamat po. Bye bye.